So in this video, we're going to talk about Block, aka Square, and this is the daily chart. You can see how price gapped and closed near the highs of the day. As news came out that they were upgraded by Wall Street analysts known as Raymond James. And so let's look at why Raymond James upgraded the stock, and then we'll get into the technicals, starting with the monthly chart. So Block stock was advancing 5% after investment bank Raymond James upgraded its rating on the shares to outperform from market perform in a note to investors earlier on Friday. After researching Block's business, Raymond James expects the growth of the company's GPY, which is seller gross payment volume, to accelerate in 2025. More specifically, the bank predicts that the metric will increase at least 10% this year versus 8% last year. Among the factors cited by Raymond James for its optimism on this front are an easy comparison, wider distribution of sellers' offerings, product enhancements, and the company's move into overseas markets. So easy comparisons means that the last 4 quarters of results were not stellar. So as the markets expand, stocks go up, businesses and individuals have more capital, the comp should be easier to beat. Although the bank is less bullish on the company's Cash App business, whose user base is no longer growing significantly, Raymond James still believes that the product's gross profit can rise going forward. And with that said, they have a $115 price target, currently well above the current price at $92.16. So again, this is the monthly chart, and I did have some levels of interest. Starting from sub 50. Now, these dashed lines represent levels where buyers were waiting for price to get to before filling their unfilled orders. This is the pandemic lows, and this was down in September of 2023. And on the top side, we do have some rejection wicks. One support at $84. Another resistance at $100. And this is the target at 115 that Raymond James has. All right, so let's zoom into the weekly chart because I do want to show you this level that I noted. This is a monthly sellers level at $60, rather $65. And as price was leaving the zone, it attempted to come back, but couldn't quite get to the top of the zone before moving higher. Again, this is the $84 resistance level that we noted on the monthly chart. Price closed above, pushes higher. Again, can't quite get to that level, which becomes support after becoming resistance. Let's go down to the daily chart. And this price action is a bull flag. What you typically see in an uptrend. And so if price conclusively and decisively breaks above, that would be an opportunity to go long, putting a stop depending on your risk tolerance, but at a minimum at $84. Again, with a first target of 100, where you might want to put your stop loss to break even. And that 115 target Raymond James has is pretty good. You do have some sideways price action from 120 to about 128. I do anticipate price at least pausing at this level. So those would be your targets. if anyone is long. Target 1, 100. Target 2, 115. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.